everyone. My name is Andri, founder and CEO of Nicslab. Nicslab originated during my PhD. We developed an entanglement photonic chip for futures quantum computing and communications. We discovered that controlling light in photonic chip proves quite challenging. It needs fast timing and good execution to create a good entanglement. Introducing XDAC, our revolutionized integrated photonic control platform. It's over effective light controls with 20 times space saving, easy to use with simple API for easy operations. This power-efficient platform enhances productivity by providing automation features. Impressively, it is also scalable up to 1,000 channel that recently we demonstrated at OFC in San Diego. Because our unique circuit configurations, we are enabled to offer the customers a device that is 3 times cost efficient compared to conventional solutions. Our platform has marked into more than 15 countries. This includes prominent customers such as NASA, University of Tokyo, and NTT. Our vision is to create and revolutionize chip technology by leveraging our patented powerful circuits as a foundations. We will create a chip solution in a large scale and generating intellectual property for the future. Our chip scale solution apply in many diverse applications, including AI photonics, transceivers, programmable photonics arrays, and lidars. The market opportunity for photonic integrated circuits is currently around $3.3 billion and shows continuous growth. Our team consists of 13 full-time employees, predominantly electrical engineers. With my background in semiconductor company company in South Korea, IBM TG Watson in New York, and also as a postdoc at the University of Sydney, we are confident to deliver the best product to customers. From the beginning, we've managed to raise less than 500K, but our revenue has soared up to 1 million. We have a US patent granted, and our new patent are pending in the US, EU, Japan, and China. In the future, we will deliver on 1 million devices a year in 2025, driven by the customer's demand. Our business models involve hardware and software. For premium features such as programming templates and automation, we offer a customer's upgraded software at the cost. Our current average gross profit margin stands impressively at 67%. In the future, we will offer a chip scale solution that enable OEM chip solution deployment at scale. The photonic integrated circuits instrument sector is currently growing. Established companies such as Keysight, Kittley, and National Instruments dominates on the bottom left, while Cisco, Intel, and also Broadcom are posing strong competition on the photonic integrated circuit market on the top right. Our team is determined and excited for this exciting, thriving industry. Join us on our path to deliver the best solution to the customers as we are raised $3 million to achieve significant milestones. We will deliver alpha and chip beta launch in 2024, this leading to chip deployment in 2025. Your contribution will also help us to build a strong team, boost our sales growth, and also push the product innovations. Together, we can make long-lasting contribution to the industry and beyond. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andri. Great presentation there. So let's go ahead and open it up for questions for Andri from our esteemed judges. Who wants to take the first stab?
Okay, thank you very much for your presentations. And I understand that there are several competitors in the photonic circuit areas like Intel, Q2B, and others. And could you please let us know more details about your competitive advantage in the technology side?
Is this on the chip side or the controller side?
On the chip side.
On the chip side. Currently, we are developing our chip, our own chip, which actually combine all the entanglement process on the single chip. This is part of our advancement on my previous PhD project. It's actually, the chip is here. We actually taped out the chip last year, and we got the chip already here too. So one of the advantage is that most of the optical components still off the shelf. We want to make sure all the things together in a chip. That's what one of the advantage. And
so,
yeah, in the future, we will integrate the controller system into the chip also. That's one of the big advantage.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Actually, my question is quite similar to the previous one. I'd like to understand more about how your competitors cannot mimic your device in the future.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, so interestingly, Nicslab was born during my PhD doing quantum side with photonic chip. And in the last 5 to 10 years, I think the growing of photonic integrated circuit, especially in quantum, is quite demanding. But a lot of, on the market, there is a gap that we feel initially was solved in my own lab and my colleagues. And it's grown from there. And during this time, we really fast interacting with the customers. They actually provide all the customers' needs like a problem that we solve to them. That's why some of them are coming back to buy more. That's what we're doing, very fast and fast adoption to the technology too.
Very clear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead, please.
Thank you for your presentation. Your company's revenue is going up to $30 million in 2015, right?
2025,
so, yeah. And you mentioned about diversity of your application, right? So which application is the revenue driver in 2025?
25, yes. There is a demand that's currently we are about to signing MOU in Indonesia. This is related to the internet infrastructure using photonic integrated circuit for transceiver in the BTS and also CPE, consumer premise equipment. That's related to the integrated photonics, basically. That market that driven us to that big orders. Yeah.
And that's the first target of your application?
Yes,
first
for
main
that.
target.
Yeah.
So to get into that market, what is the technical challenge of your R&D?
Yes, yes. One of the challenge, I think, first is the funding, but the current customers is willing to put the money too. So we just need to put add on additional funding from other VC or so on. But we always working with the customers. Normally the challenge is, the technical one is how to work with the foundries, get back the chip tape out, because sometimes the photonics foundry is not quite mature yet. So that's the challenge, to integrate with lasers and everything. One of the challenges. Yeah.
Okay.